Once there lived a lion in a forest. He was hailed as the king of the jungle. The lion, with his intelligence and experience to solve numerous cases. Everyone was happy in the jungle. Until one day, when arrogance entered the lion's head.
They need me for protection. They need my guidance to solve their problems,
thought the lion with a lot of pride. The animals too took notice of the change in the lion's attitude. The animals believed the lion would return to his senses. But it only got worse. He became cruel. When he felt hungry, he killed one of his subjects. One day, the worried animals convened a meeting.
We need to come up with a plan to put an end to the lion's arrogance,
said the rabbit.
But we are all powerless. We are no match to the mighty lion. What can we do?
asked the worried monkey. The deer, who was standing in a corner, spoke.
I can kill the lion.
All eyes turned towards the deer. The animals laughed at the little deer.
Yes, we all know the lion is very powerful. But we can certainly win him with wit. I am not going to do it alone. I will of course need the help of my friends,
explained the deer. The next day, the deer started grazing on the grass near the lion's den. The lion saw the deer and chased it. The animals, watching this from a distance, prayed for the deer's life. The deer raced towards the river. When he reached the river, the deer's friends, a group of turtles, formed a bridge-like structure to help him. The deer jumped on their shells cautiously and crossed the river. When the lion tried doing the same, the turtles dispersed in various directions. The lion fell into the deep river and drowned. The dauntless deer won the battle with wit.